Imagine if you could get an instant surge of automated traffic just like clockwork every time you publish new content. You are about to discover a free-to-use website for automated traffic generation across social media. Welcome to Profit Copilot. My name is Mick Meaney, and I want to save you from the same years of guesswork, struggle, and confusion that I went through when I was building my six-figure internet business. And the biggest piece of the puzzle that no one really wants to share with you is traffic generation, because if you don't have traffic, then you're not making the revenue you need. So today I'm going to show you how to get automated traffic every time you publish. And it's so simple, anyone can do it. And it works like this. Every time you publish a new piece of content, this website automatically distributes it across the internet, across social media, and puts it in front of the people who need to see it. The website is called If That, Then This, but don't go there just yet. You need to learn how to use this properly before you dive in. So to begin, let's create your own recipes first, and then I will show you how to get some ready-made recipes so you can start using this immediately. Go to the Create button, and let's imagine that we want to syndicate content from your website across social media. So we need to decide how we want to do that. Probably the best way of doing it is with an RSS feed. So let's click Add, and now in the search bar, type in RSS, choose RSS feed, and then go to New Item Feed. So this will trigger every time a new piece of content is added to your website. If you are using WordPress, then you already have an RSS feed set up. To access it, type in your domain name /feed. If you're not using WordPress, perhaps you're using Drupal or Shopify or another CMS, just type in the CMS name here into Google and then search for RSS. You may need to add additional apps to turn that on, or you can reach out to the support team who manage your CMS. So once you have your RSS feed, put it into the field here, then click Create Trigger. And now we should decide on where we want to send this content to. Before we take the next step, if you are serious about growing a popular and profitable website, then take a look at how my student Matt grew his business to over $2 million a year using my traffic methods. I'll also show you how I got over 30,000 website visitors every day for free when you go to profitcopilot.com/traffic. Okay, let's take the next step. So let's click Add, and let's type in a social media network. Let's go with Twitter. Next, we have to decide what action we want this to take. Let's just go with post a tweet for now, and then we can connect our website content with our Twitter account. Or we could choose a different social media network. Perhaps we want to publish to a Facebook page, in which case we would choose Create a Link Post. Or what if we wanted to add Tumblr? We can choose Create a Post Link like this. Or what if we wanted to send out to additional blogging platforms? Perhaps we want to syndicate our content on Blogger. Then we can make it create a new post that will link back to the original. Or how about getting links from a WordPress blog? Or automatically driving traffic from Pocket? Now let's find some ready-made recipes so you can just dive in. Head over to the Explore tab, search in the field for something that's going to be relevant to your CMS, your content management system, or the social media network that you want to drive traffic from. For example, let's say I want to drive traffic from Pinterest, and it's already populated for ready-made recipes that I can dive in and start using. For example, if I want to sync my Instagram posts to my Pinterest board, then I can go ahead and use that recipe. Or I can go down to the RSS to Pinterest. However, before choosing your recipe, take note of this icon here and the number of active users currently using this recipe. The higher the number, the more popular the recipe. So let's find some more recipes. Let's type in WordPress. Now we have hundreds of ways to automate traffic to a WordPress website. And this is going to work on hosted or self-hosted WordPress websites. Now, what if you want to enter social media conversations and add value and suggest relevant links that way? Well, go back to the Explore section, type in hashtag. Now you will get a list of recipes that will help you to achieve that. For example, you can go to this recipe. When a specific hashtag is used on Twitter, add the tweet to a Google spreadsheet. So now you can dive into that spreadsheet and have a list of relevant conversations that you can add value to. But that's not the only option. We have hundreds of ways of using this for traffic gen. Or what if Reddit is a part of your marketing strategy? Well, let's take a look at what's available, because we can automatically post content to a subreddit. We can also get notifications when new posts appear on specific subreddits. Another way to use this for automated traffic is to type in cross post, and now you will have a whole heap of recipes that you can use to cross post from one platform to another. Automated traffic like this works so well because you can just set it and forget it. So if you like the idea of getting even more automated traffic, check out this traffic source. It gets over 8 million visitors a month, and you can get traffic on autopilot every time you publish. Click that thumbnail now and go ahead and watch it, and I will see you again very soon. Thank you for watching. Take care.